Welcome at this our English class. In this case, we are going to learn plural nouns. First, to make plural nouns, we need to know some rules of regular nouns and irregular nouns and practice every day. Well, we are going to start regular nouns. The first rule is add s to the end. It's the most common. For example, cat, cats. Doctor, doctors. The last one, singer and singers. Another rule, and S, double S, sh, O, X, or Z. Add ES. For example, bath, bases, match, matches, dish, dishes, bags, taxes, place, place. But we have some exceptions with O, like photo, piano, and hello. Be careful, in some cases singular nouns ending in S or Z require that you double that consonant, like this example. The next rule, if the noun ends with F or FE, the F is changed to VE before adding the S, for example, wife and wolf. But we have some exceptions with this word, roof, belief, chest, and tie. Look this example and compare it. We are going to continue. If a noun ends in a vowel plus Y, we need to add S. Pay attention, don't forget this rule. Well, we are going to continue. If our noun ends in a consonant plus Y, you need to remove Y and add IES. For example, city, cities, puppy, puppies. Irregular nouns are words that have to change if you want to use them in a plural way. However, we have another group of irregular nouns. There are nouns no change, and to make plural we use the numbers. For example, one sheep or two sheep. Some advices for this lesson. Try to learn the most used irregular nouns and you won't have any problems to use it. My name is Brenda Callecusi and this is my email. Bye bye.